welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you how to batter and fry your shrimp for your amazing homemade tacos. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. These amazing, crunchy, delicious shrimp. These are my ingredients. I have black pepper, salt, garlic powder, Old Bay seasoning, mustard, 2 pieces of eggs, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and 1 pound of deveined and cleaned shrimp. Let's get started. Let's make these amazing and delicious, crunchy fried shrimps at home. Of course, first things first, seasoning the all-purpose flour with black pepper, salt, garlic powder, Old Bay seasoning. Yes, let me tell you, these shrimps are going to be nice and crispy and delicious. Remember, 2 eggs and room temperature. And of course, the mustard. The shrimp has been deveined, nice and clean. And let me tell you, you are really going to love these amazing and crispy shrimp. Yes, you could add these shrimp into a delicious cold salad. You could add it into a delicious rice. You could make yourself an amazing crispy taco with the crispy shrimp. Or you could have a soft taco with these amazing, crispy, and delicious homemade shrimps. Look at this. The oil needs to be nice and hot before you start adding the shrimp inside. Add one at a time so they do not stick to each other. You are going to fry them for about 3 minutes. Do not move them. Just leave them there getting nice and golden brown. There's no need to mix. After the 3 minutes, you could just bring them out. They're really crispy and delicious. And let me tell you, I love making this crispy shrimp. You could enjoy them in so many different recipes. You could enjoy it as a finger food with a delicious sauce. Or you could enjoy it like I am going to enjoy it, an amazing soft taco. Yes, of course. Look how crispy they are. They're crispy from the outside, but nice and chewy from the inside. Of course, my tortilla, my zucchini avocado, guacamole, and my pico de gallo that you already have on my channel. Of course, my jalapeno. Let's enjoy. Your mouth is watering. Make these amazing and crispy shrimp made at home with lots and lots of love. I am sure you're going to enjoy it. And make my zucchini, guacamole, and pico de gallo. I'll see you in a bit. I am completely done with these amazing, crispy, and delicious shrimp. This is the part I love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Of course, I added a pico de gallo that you already have on my channel and the zucchini guacamole. that you already have on my channel. Let's enjoy this amazing taco. Mmm. Mmm. It's so delicious. Like I always say, when you cook with love, everything comes out amazing. If you like and love this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying these amazing and crispy shrimp. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye bye.